Developed by Ford Performance and extensively tested at Ford Proving Grounds and Germany's famous Nürburgring, factory-fit track pack is available exclusively for the 5-door hatchback, 6-speed manual transmission variant, for optimized weight and driver engagement. Complementing the 5.7 second 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration and 250 km per hour top speed delivered by a 280 PS 2.3-liter Ford EcoBoost petrol engine, the new track pack enables drivers to fine-tune responsiveness for track driving with an adjustable KW Automotive coilover suspension system that works in harmony with reduced mass alloy wheels. In addition, the track pack boosts stopping performance with 363mm front brake discs and Brembo brake calipers. A bespoke tire specification also helps optimize traction for ultimate responsiveness.